the only global business account you actually need. Let's start with a reality check. If you are a marketer scaling a brand or a tech founder building a platform, you're not just running a business, you're running a global financial operation. And yet, most of us are still using banks that act like the internet doesn't exist. Welcome to the SaaS Trac Deep Dive. Today we are looking at Airwallex. In this video, you're going to learn how this end-to-end financial software makes it simple to collect, convert, and send money globally. Look at this dashboard on your screen right now. This is the summary view. It's designed to give you a single source of truth for your SGD, USD, and EUR balances all at once. No more logging into 3 different regional banks. Whether you're on the desktop or using the mobile app you see here, the goal is frictionless growth. But frictionless is a marketing buzzword. Let's see the actual mechanics of how they achieve it. Global accounts. This is where the magic happens for international revenue. When you click Create Global Account in the top right, you aren't just opening a folder, you are generating real local bank details. Look at this list: Australia, Europe, United States, Hong Kong. If I select Singapore here, within seconds, Airwallex gives me an SGD global account. Notice the UI. It provides the account name, the account number, the bank code, and the SWIFT code. If you sell on Amazon, eBay, or use Stripe, you don't want them converting your money. You copy these details and paste them into your Seller Central. Now your money stays in its native currency. There are no opening fees and no minimum transaction requirements. You spend less on fees and more on your ROAS. That is step 1 of taking back your margins. Now let's talk about the wallet. Under the Balances tab, you can view all your funds in one place. But look at what happens when we need to swap currencies. Most banks hide a 3% fee in a bad exchange rate. Airwallex uses what we call market-leading FX rates. When I type in 1000 USD to convert to SGD, the platform shows me the mid-market rate in real time. When it's time to pay your global suppliers or your remote team, you head to the Transfers tab. Click New Transfer. I'm going to select an existing recipient here, Alan, America. Now, look at the payment method section. This is the differentiator. Instead of a standard expensive SWIFT wire, you can choose local payment rails like ACH in the US or SEPA in Europe. This bypasses the correspondent banking system. The result? Payments can be received in as little as 1 business day. And because it's a local transfer, you avoid those unnecessary. Now, for my agency owners and marketing managers, Borderless cards. Under the Cards menu, click Create Card. You have 2 choices. A company card. Let's create a virtual card. I'm going to set a purpose, Marketing 2025, and set a monthly spend limit of 5,000 Australian dollars. You can issue these cards in seconds. If a team member is traveling or needs to buy a specific software tool, you don't share one MasterCard. You give them their own with customizable card spend limits. It draws directly from your wallet balances, meaning if you pay in USD from your USD balance, there is no forced conversion fee. This is a massive win for managing ad spend across different regions. But how do you track that spend? You go to Expense Management. Airwallex cards come with built-in expense tracking. Look at the mobile flow here. Your employee swipes the card, takes a photo of the receipt, and categorizes it as equipment or travel on the move. Back on your desktop, you see the review screen. As a manager, you can see the merchant, the amount, and the receipt image. You can build customizable approval workflows. If a charge is under $100, it's auto-approved. If it's over $1,000, it requires a click from the CFO. If you are a freelancer or a B2B service provider, you need to look at payment links. Click New Payment Link. Enter the amount. Let's say 37 SGD. And a description like breakfast sour beer. You can create a one-time link or a reusable link. Once you hit create, it generates a professional URL and a QR code. You can share these via email, SMS, or even put them on a physical invoice. When your customer clicks that link, look at the customer view. They can pay via credit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. It's a frictionless checkout experience that makes you look like a Fortune 500 company, even if you're a team of 2. For the e-commerce giants, Airwallex integrates directly with Shopify and WooCommerce. On your Shopify admin, go to Payments and Add Payment Method. Search for Airwallex. Once you plug it in, you can start collecting multi-currency payments online. When a customer on your store, like this sneaker demo store, goes to checkout, they see a clean, secure payment window. The money goes from their card directly into your Airwallex wallet. No middleman taking a massive processing spread. It's the shortest path from your customer's pocket to your business account. For the tech enthusiasts and accountants, let's talk integrations. Under connections, you'll see the heavy hitters: Xero, QuickBooks, NetSuite, and even Amazon/eBay for sales data. When you connect to Xero, you aren't just exporting a CSV. You are setting up a direct bank feed. Every transaction, every card swipe, every FX conversion syncs automatically to your chart of accounts. This is automated reconciliation. Your books are always up to date, and your accountant will finally stop emailing you for that one missing receipt from February. It's all right here. Now, let's look at the cutting edge. This is what was just released in March 2026. Meet the Airwallex AI Assistant. It turns the entire platform into a simple chat interface. Watch this. I'm going to type, "Create a Canada global account for me." The AI assistant doesn't just show me a how-to guide, it actually performs the action. It spins up the account, provides the CAD details, and helps me avoid the navigation menus entirely. And for my US-based viewers, look at Airwallex Yield. You can now put your idle USD balances to work. You can earn daily returns with flexible access and no lockup periods. You can move money between your cash and yield balances in 2 clicks. Your money is finally working as hard as you are. For those of you operating in Asia, Airwallex now supports Octopus for online payments in Hong Kong. This gives you access to the most widely used local payment method in the city. But check out the spend overview for the data nerds. You can now build custom analytics views. I can create a module to track spend by vendor. I want to see exactly how much we spent on Uber versus Google Ads across the whole company. I can filter by department, by entity, or by cardholder. You can even export the underlying data for a deep dive analysis. This is the level of visibility that helps you spot anomalies and cross-product spend patterns before they become problems. So, is this the only global business account you actually need? If you are a marketer, a founder, or a tech head, the answer is a very strong yes. We've seen how it replaces the local bank with global accounts, how it replaces the FX broker with interbank rates, how it replaces Expensify with integrated spend management, and how it even uses AI to automate the boring stuff. The traditional bank is a relic. Airwallex is a financial operating system. If you want to scale globally without the international fee headache, this is the tool. I've put all the resources and a link to get started in the description below. If this detailed breakdown helped you, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. What's the biggest fee your bank has ever charged you? I'm for SaaS Trac, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.